Engaging middle school students can be a challenge, especially in the areas of math and science. Without a solid understanding of the real-world connections to content they're learning in school, students find it easy to check out during class. PITSCO's STEM and career expeditions help students understand that what they are learning in class can actually be applied in the real world. PITSCO's STEM expeditions focus on the math and science standards for grades 6 through 9. Each title promotes science inquiry, math practices, and engineering design principles. Because content is delivered through an online learning platform, students can work through the material at their own pace. Plus, the teacher is free to act as a facilitator in the classroom, meeting with groups of students to deepen their understanding. STEM expeditions consist of 37 unique titles. Everything from life, earth, and physical science are covered, plus there are titles focused on technology. All titles are correlated to state standards and developed through rigorous national standards for math and science. Standards reports are available upon request. Within each title, students have access to a digital or printed logbook to document their findings. Each STEM expedition is connected to specific STEM careers and includes activities to explore these job options. Students are also provided with all the materials needed to complete the activities within the expedition. STEM expeditions are proven to help students earn higher science scores. Through hands-on activities and real-world math and science connections, all modalities of learning are achieved. Content is internalized, and students start to see why they need to learn these concepts. To better help students understand career options in the STEM fields, Career Expeditions introduce students in grades 7 through 9 to 7 different career pathways. Similar to the STEM expeditions, all materials and logbooks are provided for the students, as well as easy-to-use teacher resources. Starting with the Now Hiring title, students are introduced to the different career pathways. Afterward, students work through each career expedition. Due to their flexible implementation, Career Expeditions can be standalone titles or mixed in with STEM expeditions through the CTE course. While Career Expeditions focus on the jobs, STEM expeditions focus on the science and math skills needed in those jobs. PITSCO Education also provides you with many options for a reconfigurable learning environment, making your classroom optimal for STEM learning. Placing students in collaborative groupings encourages them to work together while still maintaining a dedicated space for their learning. Storage is also provided for materials involved with the expeditions. Students have easy access to the supplies they need, encouraging on-task behavior. Plus, the furniture supports a flexible implementation, enabling you to move it to the formation that best works for your classroom culture. Through the open-ended tasks, students participate in designing, creating, testing, and improving their projects. Mimicking the real world, students meet with success and failure and learn to navigate them both seamlessly. And, of course, all curriculum is delivered via Synergy, PITSCO's proprietary learning content management system. Through Synergy, you can make assignments, give assessments, grade logbooks, record grades, and access a variety of teacher resources. Students also have access to learning content via Synergy with easy-to-navigate menus and extensive activities for every title. When students learn through expeditions, they're better prepared for future careers and perform better in school. But best of all, students learn to become lifelong learners.